Hi, Glenn here from GMT Pointing Specialist Limited. Right, I put storm dry on this wall, the facade cream, about 4 hours ago, so it's soaking in nicely. I've put a bit of storm dry over what I've already sealed before, and if you ever miss any areas, that's what it'll look like. There's a massive difference, there's a massive contrast. So don't be worried about missing any areas, because you will be able to tell. But when you're water sealing it, or when you're putting the cream on, do it in squares, so you know you're not going to miss and then overlap on yourself. But that's the best way to do it. This storm dry lasts about 25 years. It's pretty good stuff. It's breathable. I've done it on listed buildings. It's approved by English Heritage. So if you've got any questions, just give me a message. Thank you.